Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody. In this wonderful change, we will present our research entitled
Cikorbu, Koro Benguk Tempe as a local food social innovation, a study of protein content, public acceptance, and its impact on efforts to reduce stunting in children 2 to 5 years of age.
Let me introduce our team. We are from
Manfaat Sleman, Madrasah Teristimewa.
Hello, my name is Faidus Yusuf Alivia as leader of my team and my friends.
Nara Zulaika Humaira,
Muhammad Rizky Praditya,
Ayah Rediana Putri,
Aulia Askal Askia.
Okay. What is stunting? Stunting or malnutrition is a condition when a child is low compared to his height. Stunting is caused by the lack of nutritional intake obtained by infants or fetuses during the first 1,000 days of life. Showing the following graphs. Until 2019, stunting also has an impact on children's brain development in the golden period in the age range of 12 until 36 months. Total stunting in Indonesia ranks 27.7%.
Koro Benguk Tempe is one of the specialties of the Kulon Progo region, Yogyakarta. The raw seed of Koro Benguk contains 273.2 gram per kilograms protein. Koro Benguk contains minerals such as kalium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphor. Koro Benguk Tempe contains higher protein around 29.29%. This step, we take start from making tempe. Then we develop it into several food products, namely porridge, cookies, and nugget. Then this stage is continued with organoleptic testing, hedonic testing, and finally protein content testing. The next slide is making Koro Benguk Tempe. The first step is soak the Koro Benguk seeds and then boil them for 60 minutes. Then mix Koro Benguk seeds with yeast for the fermentation process, and finally wait 2 days before consuming them.
In this slide, making Koro Benguk Tempe powder. First step, Koro Benguk Tempe is processing into powder by oven drying the tempe. Secondly, blending the dried pieces. And finally, the Koro Benguk Tempe powder is ready. In this slide, making Koro Benguk instant porridge, where the powder is added to a boiled mixture of rice flour and water, stirred until fully cooked, and served with topping for enhanced taste and nutrition. Next slide is making Koro Benguk Tempe cookies. First, the tempe powder is mixed with butter and sugar, followed the addition of baking powder, flour, and salt. The dough is baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, and finally the Koro Benguk Tempe cookies is ready.
Okay, in this slide, making Koro Benguk nugget. Firstly, prepare tools and materials. Secondly, boil Koro Benguk until tender. And add flour, baking powder, and salt and stir until smooth. After that, steam until cooked. Next step, beat the egg and dip and coat with flour. Finally, nuggets can be fried immediately or stored in the freezer. Okay, in this slide, we have a 4 image. First image, Koro Benguk Tempe. Have a white in color, raw texture with a large bean shape, and with a distinctive aroma of Koro Benguk. Second image, Koro Benguk cookies. Have a cream-colored, crunchy and crumbly texture, cookie aroma, and sweet flavor. Third image, instant porridge Koro Benguk. Have a cream color, soft texture, no distinctive aroma of Koro Benguk, and blend taste slightly sweet. And the last image, Koro Benguk nugget. Have a brown in color, texture crispy outside and soft inside, and the distinctive aroma of Koro Benguk is not smelled and savory taste. In this slide, we have a data. First data, processed products that have a high protein content are nuggets at 10.4 and 14%. Second data, products such as baby porridge have a protein content of around 8%. So, processed korobenguk products have a higher protein content. Third, children aged 2 to 5 years need about 30 until 19 grams of protein per day. And the last, processed korobenguk products have a protein content that is sufficient for the daily protein needs of children aged 2 to 5 years.
Hedonic test result. This test used 13 volunteer panelists with the rating scale of 1 to 4. The most preferred products by the panelists were cookies and nuggets of korobenguk. Socio-economic impact. First, 85% of respondents out of 100 housewives stated that they like or really like the taste and texture of tea korbu. Second, 72% of respondents were willing to buy tea korbu as a substitute for soybean tempeh, mainly because of its nutritional benefits. Third, in families that regularly consume tea korbu 2 to 3 times per week for 3 months, there is a 45% increase in nutritional understanding. Fourth, nutrition education accompanied by the provision of local products proved to be more effective in shaping healthy consumption behavior. Conclusion. First, tempe korobenguk is very flexible to be made into varied processed products that are high in protein.
Second,
Cookies, instant porridge, and nuggets have different characteristics, with the highest level of liking for cookies and nuggets.
third,
The protein test results show that the three products have a protein content of up to 13%, which meet the daily protein requirement for children aged 2 to 5 years.
and the last,
Tea korbu can be used as an ingredient for processed products for stunting that are delicious and loved by children. That's all presentation of our team. Thank you for your attention.
wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.